Welcome back everybody. Now, today I am going to review something that I've already reviewed, so you can look at this as a re-review, but the can is different. Without further ado, craft beer review number 2, I reviewed Belching BEAVER. This was 1 year ago, early on my craft beer journey, so it's only fitting that craft beer review number 102, re-review Belching BEAVER. Milk stout. It is the peanut butter flavored. All right, America's favorite peanut butter flavor. Comes in a 355 ml can. It is what is it? Where does it say? You know, let's have a little read. www.belchingbeaver.com. Brewed and canned by Belching BEAVER. I am trying to look for the ABV. Oh, here. Right here, guys. Right here. Alright. 5.3% alcohol. So, it's not that strong of a stout. But, from what I remember, I enjoyed the peanut butterness. Even though it's not a strong stout, but I enjoyed it. It was something different. So, may as well get right into it, guys. Let's get this cracked open. Now, while I open this... Oh... Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm gonna have a little read at the back. Peanut butter flavored milk stout. Sorry about the lighting, I just noticed that. Alright, I better stay here. Troy came up with the idea of combining the flavor of peanut butter with our milk stout. He nailed it. Don't let the dark color fool you. This beer is delightfully easy to drink and cascading aromas of roasted peanuts, dark chocolate and coffee. Good times to you, my friend, and welcome to the Beaver family. Cheers, Tom. Serve cold, drink fresh, established 2012, contains lactose. Alrighties. Is there an ingredients list here? I can't see it. Well, anyways, let's get right into it. Pouring it up. Oh, my apologies about the lighting, guys. Now, there's a cloud right behind the sun, so my apologies. But here we go. Oh, I kind of went aggressive there right at the end, so I could save some. That's the secret. Nah, but look at that, guys. Now, from this angle, it's not completely jet black. There is a little bit of a red tinge on the bottom here. Oh my goodness, the phone's so dark. Light! There you go. Alright. Because of my aggressive pour, that is a 3-finger fluffy creme coloured head. Alrighties. Carbonation. Slowly Russian, but it's there. It's there. You know what? Let's just get right into it, guys. Craft beer review number 102 to commemorate the number 2 review of Belching BEAVER. I figured it's a re-review time. Let's see what we get. Exactly what I remembered. Peanut butter. If you love peanut butter, you're gonna love this. It's unmistakable. I mean, some people say, oh, how could you enjoy a peanut butter tasting beer? And I'm like, well, you haven't ventured into the craft beer world yet then. I used to think, how can you enjoy peanut butter and jelly? I think peanut butter and beer goes a whole lot better than peanut butter and jelly, but the nose is just beautiful, guys. Yep, subtle milk chocolate in there, slight little coffee note, but the dominant note in this is peanut butter, guys. Like a nice roasted peanut butter, but it almost just smells like a real peanut butter as well, you know, like the actual spread in the jar. Obviously that's what peanut butter is, right? But you are getting a nutty vibe, but not nutty like a bourbon. This is just peanut butter, guys. Let's just say it's a milky peanut butter stout. There you go. Slight hints of chocolate in there, but obviously not as chocolatey as the Choc Top. This is all in the name. It's a peanut butter flavored milk stout, so if you weren't gonna get peanut butter, then they failed, but they succeeded. Alrighties, let's just get right into it. The head's starting to come down a bit. Let's give it a little twirl. Look at the lacing on that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, it's just beautiful, guys. Sorry about the lighting, eh? That's got to be annoying. Sorry. Alright, I'll stay here. Don't do the dark thing now. That is sweet, but not overly sweet. That peanut butter though, eh? Like I said, if you love peanut butter, you're gonna love this. This is just easy drinking. I mean, obviously it's only 5.3%, so not that high in ABV, so it's not that, you know, thick and viscous, but it is a medium bodied type of mouthfeel. I mean, it's not watery. For 5.3%, you think it would be like water, but there is actually some body to this. It's actually nice, guys. If you like it, let me know in the comments. Cheers, everyone. Who's tried it, let me know. Oh, my goodness. Drink responsibly, everyone. Oh, and for everyone celebrating Easter this weekend, this Friday, happy Easter, everyone. I'll probably end up doing a Easter review, but jumping the gun. It's tomorrow, guys. But for now, let's enjoy this peanut buttermilk. Oh, stout. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Anyways, cheers, everyone. Yeah, it's not like it's fully carbonated that much. I mean, it's not really silky smooth bubbles. Hold on. Yeah, it's not really like a silky smooth kind of bubbles, you know, the carbonation when you... It's a little bit flat, to be honest, but it kind of just... I'm not even worried about that at the moment because the peanut butter just tastes awesome, so... It doesn't matter if it's a bit flat. It's just a easy drinking beer. A little bit sweet, but not too sweet. Like I said, just works well with the peanut butter. And how about that? The sun is out. See, look at this. No lighting issue now. Too late to redo this because I just poured it, you know, unedited, unscripted, unrehearsed. So here we are, guys. Better late than never, son. Cheers, everyone. Does everyone else go through these type of technical difficulties? Probably not, because everyone else edits, right? Maybe I've got to learn how to do this. Cheers, everyone. Yep. It's just not overly bitter. It's just peanut. Roasted peanuts. That's pretty much it. It's just peanuts, guys. This is driving me peanuts. Peanuts? Nah, it's awesome. I like it. I enjoy it. Let me know if you enjoy this. Oh my goodness. A fly almost went in there. That would have been very traumatic. But anyways, I just thought I'd review this. But there you go. If you haven't seen the can, this is the new can design. And there you go, guys. You got the story. Alrighties. Okay, guys. Cheers to all my American friends. Yous are the ones that got me into the craft beer to begin with. So, cheers, guys. Blood, sweat, and beers, booze hounds, everyone. Cheers to yous all. All these little beer, craft beer Facebook groups, they what got me into the craft beer. So, you know, I gotta give a shout out. But cheers, everyone. We are going on to 10 minutes. I better go. I'm just going to be repeating myself. I'm just appreciating this sunlight right now. Where were you at the start of the video? Anyway, guys, I'll catch you all later. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. See you all.